Welcome to this instalment of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner, and today we are looking at the Soft Top Convertible for the Jaguar E-Type Open Two-Seater Roadster Series 3. So only applicable to the V12 Series 3. The Series 1 and Series 2s, which shared for the most part the Soft Top Convertible, pretty much exactly the same in how they're made. A few subtle differences which we're aware of and do cater for, but the Series 3 obviously underwent a fairly major overhaul in terms of the wheel length of the actual car itself, which meant significant changes happened to the interior trim, the soft top being one of the major factors there. So this has been made in deluxe mohair canvas, DMC, so it's the creme de la creme of hooding, and this is in our camel colour here. As you can see, it's got a beige backing on it here, so worth checking our website and asking the question. Depending on the colour of the actual top side of the mohair, you get different backing options, either black or beige for most colours, but some of them only come in one, so just bear that in mind. So it's obviously pre-sewn and ready to go, fit on the car. Now, fitting a soft top convertible is quite tricky. Series 3s aren't too bad, but still we recommend seeking professional help on these from someone that's aware of how these particular cars went. We make a lot of these kits, but we also have a lot of questions about the fitment, especially from trimmers who aren't particularly aware of the idiosyncrasies, shall we say, of how these are meant to fit the car. Now, I have the pleasure of actually owning a V12 Series 3 Roadster, so I'm all too well versed on the fitment process, as is my father. Thank you, Father. So I do know how these go on, and I do know the potholes, shall we say, on the fitment process. But essentially, it's as per most soft top hoods, a couple of panels, or rather 3 panels sort of sewn together. Has the area at the back here with the plastic window in the backing there, has the B-post gutter areas there. It's bound, but has these gutter channels here to attract and draw off the water towards the front and back, not down into the windows. And then crucially, obviously, the Series 3s, they started introducing Velcro to fit above the door window area and also around the back area here. So that makes fitment a bit easier on these cars here. I'll just show you in this book here. So you've got sort of Velcro that goes across there and then Velcro around here. As you can see, the Velcro is on the bodywork of the car. So that's that element there. And then when the hood frame, hood bag gets put on, that also shares that element there. So yeah, very nicely done. It has on the underside, obviously, the flaps there for the rails that go from left to right. Yeah, there we are. So you can see those in there, and obviously up under here. The material for the header rail there is sold separately. Now, a lot of the Series 3s, they just switch to a black leather cloth. We can obviously use mohair or dobby cloth if you prefer, depending on what level of restoration and what look you're going for. So just bear that in mind. And then obviously we supply the fixings. There's not many fixings. There are more than 3. These are just the different fixing types that there are. So you've basically got the stud, socket and finisher there on there. So they are supplied as standard within the kit. We only supply the ones that go on the actual cover. We don't supply the ones on the actual bodywork of the car. Yeah, I think that's covered most of the bases. So yeah, check our website for more details. So remember to look at the handbook as well. That's ever evolving with more information going on there. Not to do, all to do with either originality of things, but also help and advice on fitments of certain bits and bobs. Of course, remember to like, subscribe, and share with other classic car enthusiasts. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to stay tuned for next time. Cheers. Bye-bye.